Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about Boston Whaler's 2018 330 Outrage 60th Anniversary Edition. Let's start with the side of the boat. It's got the steel blue color, which is very nice look. It's very soft color, but still adds a nice touch when it offsets with the white. We do have the stainless steel insert on the rub rail, which adds a little bit more to it, dresses it up a little bit. And as we move forward, you're going to see the Outrage style. We've got all the deep V. So this is meant for going offshore. You can go into the deep, you can go 100 miles offshore, no problem. You can take it down to the Keys, no problem. It's a very ocean-going vessel with the deep V hull. Also, they added the bow thruster to the 33, which gives you extra docking coming in, especially when you got to do a side tide. We've got the ski tow, the tow hook rather, on the front. So if you do need to tow it, sometimes we tow them behind the bigger boats. And you've got the stainless steel anchor. Now, as we move up top, you see that you've got the sunshade, which goes up and down in a minute. So if you are parked somewhere and you're just hanging out, you don't want the sun, very nice. You can just throw it up real quick. You can't run with it, but you can throw it up when you're not running. So you've got the nice T-top with the enclosure. You've got the rocket launchers on here as well, and then a rear shade as well. So if you're not a sun worshiper, you can throw these up real quick. Gives you plenty of shade pretty much throughout the entire boat if you want it. Got the trim tabs as well, heavy duty trim tabs. And then lastly on the back, it's powered by the Mercury Verado 350. It's a 6-cylinder. The twin 350s are going to give you all the power you're going to need to get up out of the hole quickly and take you offshore quickly as well. So it's got underwater lights on here, and you'll just for at night gives you a good shine, and it shows you the fish around. And let's hop on board. Here we are on board the 330 Outrage, and let's start at the back of the boat. If it's a day where you're not going to be fishing and you just want to go out for a lunch or go to the beach, or dinner, that type of thing, sunset cruise, you've got a seat that comfortably sits a couple of adults, no problem. But if you are fishing that day, all you do is lift this up, put that right down, and now it's a nice comfortable leaning post. Rod holder on either side here, and then a very large live well. So plenty of room, plenty of bait, take you out for the day. You won't run out, plenty big. Then we've got over here, we've got the fish boxes. We've got one on port, one on starboard. We've got the dive door, which is a tremendous addition to this boat. If you, even as far as just swimming, you can put the ladder, just slides right in and locks. You can drop it down. You can lift this up, and now you've got a rail. So when you're coming up the ladder, you've got something sturdy to grab onto versus the side of the boat, which is not safe. So you've got that right there. The other big part of this as well, if you are fishing, a lot of times you're bringing a fish up over the top of the gunnel. That's where you lose a decent amount of fish right at that point. Where here, you're just picking them up. It's only a foot out of the water. Pick them up, you slide them right across into the fish box on this side. They go right into the fish box. Then you take the hook out. You're not making a mess on the rest of the boat, and you've got the fish on board safe and sound. Again, for fishing, you've got a very nice prep station right here. Some places for drinks, place for your knives for cutting up the fish. So very large workstation there. But if you are going, again, if you're going out for lunch at the beach, converts in a real nice, comfortable 3-person seat here. The good thing about this is when we have it, we can deploy it. We have a table that goes right here. So with this one out, this one here, you can fit 4, 5, 6 people very comfortably around the table for drinks and something to eat. So nice features for if you decide not to fish. It does it very well. Let's move to the helm station. You've got an actual extended board that comes down. It gives me an extra 4 or 5 inches for people that aren't as tall like myself. So I like it as far as being able to see up over everything very comfortably. You've got the stainless steel whaler, traditional steering wheel. You've got Mercury SmartCraft. It's a computer that gives you all your readouts, all your temperatures, pressures, fuel burns, everything you're going to want to know is right in the SmartCraft. Got your remote control for your Fusion stereo here. All your rockers right eye level right in front of you right here is nice. And then you've got a ton of room up on the dash to put whatever you want as far as electronics. Whaler, we don't bring them in with electronics on it. We decide to let you pick what you want, whether it's a Simrad or a Garmin or a Raymarine, whatever it may be. You can pick any configurations and add any equipment that you want with plenty of room. Got the digital throttle and shift. As soon as you come out of your space, you hit the one lever. I always put this down just to make sure it reminds me I'm in one lever. Now the rest of the trip, I'm using this. It keeps all the engines exactly synced all the time. You're not trying to adjust the sync on it. It's good for the driver, good for the captain, and also good for the motors as well. Trim tabs and the bow thruster. The bow thruster, a lot of times people may not put them on a 33-foot boat, but when you're doing a side tie and you've got a wind, a lot of times it's tough to get it up against the dock. All you're doing is just bow thruster right. You get your stern in, hit the bow thruster, brings you right in. When you go to leave, brings you right out. So it really does make the docking a lot easier. As we move forward to the head area, very good size head. Lot of room, lot of storage. You've got the vacuum flush head. You've got a sink with a pull out. You can actually pull that out and rinse sand and salt off you if you want to go into a restaurant later on. You want to get yourself cleaned up. Plenty of room inside to do it. Here's your Fusion stereo there. And then that's the dive ladder. Conveniently out of the way. It's a heavy gauge, heavy duty. Works very, very well and very, very safe. Here we're up in the bow. Really comfortable 2 to 3 person lounger. Has the armrests on the side. You've got drink holders on the side also. Again, great place on a nice day just to sit and ride up front, getting the fresh air in your face. Very comfortable to lounge on. Then you lift this here, and now we've got a very large storage area. Right now we've got the canvas down here because the boat has full canvas. And you've got storage buckets, you've got rod holders. You can actually take the rods and put them through in here. You can actually hold quite a few because there's 2 levels. So you can hold, don't know exactly what the amount is, it's probably at least 10 rods easily in here. And this also has a locking mechanism on it right here that when you're not on the boat, you can lock it up. Not easy for them to disappear. Fish box right here, another fish box in here. So you got 2 big fish boxes up front, 2 in the back. So you got plenty of room to catch fish all day long, keep them iced down. Plenty of room. So this is, we're showing the non-skid here. If you were fishing, you would take the cushions up. Non-skid here, non-skid all up on the bow as well. And then if you are fishing, the anchor, the windlass system is underneath here. So when they recess it, you have a full access of the platform, a good fishing area, big fishing area up here. And this is your access to the windlass. It has a handheld remote right there, so you can control it from here or up on the helm, and it also has a freshwater wash down there as well. So there you have it with the Boston Whaler 2018 330 Outrage 60th Anniversary Edition. It's a fantastic boat. It does still do the backwaters, but you can take it offshore 100 miles no problem and get there quick in a hurry. Down to the Keys even, safe and sound. Boat can't sink, we love that. And then if you have any other questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.